See, a bit of an old school vlog today. We're just gonna go see if we can tidy up the front end. Front end, you're asking. Let's go take a look. So this is what I've currently got. As you can see, I don't even know how this happens. Like, what is that? Anyway. Is that I actually need to put this bumper on the car and then take that bumper off, because that's the better bumper. So that was the plan. Well, the hope is that this was the better bumper and I could drop it all off today. Not the case, but I guess that means more content for you guys because I have to swap bumpers now. So let's do that. So I did it. To be honest, it's swapping a bumper. But you don't need to see that. So I'll just explain what's happening. So as you can see, this bumper is atrocious. There's no grille because some of it's down there. Oh God, if anyone sees me about, I'm so sorry. It's temporary, I promise. The bumper, lip and the grille are in the back of the car. So let's go drop it off. Delivery.
Sweet.
Alright, so we dropped them off at Coco's. A bunch of the Honda guys get their stuff done, and my rear bumper was done here at the beginning of this whole journey. So we'll come back in a week or two, pick them up, and it's going to be looking schmick. So that's the front bumper, lip and the grille picked up from Coco's. Huge shout out to Coco's for doing a bloody good job. Now it's time to go fit it. Alright, so we're jacked up. Time to get the front bumper up. Now, I don't have the fitting kit for the lip, so... So on an EK front grille, the grille surround is actually separate from the grille itself. This is just me reattaching that fascia. There's about 8 screws. Then I'll wander over to the front bumper and fit it to the bumper. Now on a lot of EKs you'll actually see that the grille is detached from the front bumper, but they are actually one piece and they go together before you fit the front bumper. Moving on from the grille, I attach the front lip, which is attached at either end of the bumper, and there is pre-made marks on the bumper so you can get it aligned right. Now this is me grabbing some 10mm bolts and some nuts and some washers so I can attach the underside of the front bumper, and it looks a little bit like this. Moving on to reattaching the front bumper, OEM mounting points in the arch, and there's a couple underneath as well, and of course on top. And that brings us to the end of redoing the front end of the Civic. I hope you enjoyed this pretty random episode. I made a whole episode out of spraying a front bumper. Is what it is. Next on the list is the bonnet. And of course, as you can see, I've parked it like this for a reason. The entire side needs doing. So that's next on the list. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, subscribe, do all that really annoying business which we all ask you to do all the bloody time. But it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one, which will be reviewing this thing, which I'm going to start filming right now. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. All right, now as always, videos up here, down there, subscribe, etc. Just want to point out, by the way, it's a goddamn hovercraft. How sick is that? You got to click one of these now, right? Because I've show you a hovercraft. Please click. Thanks.